Want to refresh your Instagram handle without creating a new account? You can update your username in seconds from the app itself. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will take you to your profile. Now tap on the edit profile option. You will find different options here. You have the option of name and username. Since you want to change your username, tap on the second option. Now go ahead and type in your new username. But before you do that, remember that you can edit your username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. Now, once you have changed your username, tap on the checkmark option at the top right corner of your screen. And as you can see, your username has been successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.